Once you hit the age of 65, one bad fall could change your life forever. A broken hip? A fractured femur? There's a 15 to 30% chance you won't survive the year. So let me ask you, what's keeping your legs strong enough to keep you standing? Because if you're not training them, you're gambling with your independence. Arnold Schwarzenegger doesn't train to look good anymore. He trains to stay alive, and so should you. Today, we're revealing 3 powerful exercises every senior must do, plus one secret movement almost no one talks about. And the first one? It's a total game changer, and you can do it right in your living room. If you're in your 60s, 70s, or even 80s, this isn't just another fitness tip, it's a wake-up call. Weak legs are one of the first and most dangerous signs of aging. They lead to slower walking, poor balance, blood sugar issues, and worst of all, falls. And the falls? They're the #1 cause of injury-related deaths in adults over 65. Not heart attacks, not cancer, but falls. Why? Because the moment you fall and break a major bone, your mobility drops, your independence vanishes, and your entire physiology begins to shut down. Muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, makes it worse. Every year after 50, you lose 1 to 2% of muscle mass, unless you fight back. Dr. Peter Attia puts it simply, muscle is your life insurance policy in old age. And if there's one area you need to prioritize first, it's your legs. Why? Because leg strength is the foundation of everything: standing, walking, balance, and even preventing falls. But here's the real secret, it's not just about strength. It's about power. Your ability to move quickly and explosively. And that's where most seniors miss the mark. So let's start with the one exercise that rewires your muscles to respond fast, stay sharp, and keep you mobile for decades. Jump training. Now before you panic, this isn't about jumping like a superhero. It's about waking up the fast-twitch muscle fibers in your legs. The very ones responsible for catching you when you trip or stumble. Ignore these, and every step becomes a risk. Train them and every step becomes a statement. Let's start with low-level jump squats. Now, before we dive into the first exercise, just a quick note. This isn't some trendy gym move, it's a quiet powerhouse. The low-level squat, even when seniors only squat down a little, they're working their quads, glutes, and hamstrings, big muscles that keep you walking strong, standing tall, and steady on your feet. And here's the magic, it's low impact, joint friendly, and builds exactly the kind of functional strength older adults need for real life. Like getting out of a chair or climbing stairs. Every time you do it, you're rewiring your balance, your stability, and your leg power safely. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slight bend in your knees. Like you're about to sit in a chair. Push through your feet and lift just a few inches off the ground. Land softly, knees slightly bent. That's one representative. Do 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps. 2 to 3 times per week. Can't jump yet? No problem. Try rope. Less jump rope. Just bounce lightly in place on the balls of your feet. Or box step-offs. Step off a low stair or curb and land gently, catching your balance. Dr. Peter Attia puts it clearly. Power is what saves you from a fall. And that's what this movement is all about. Not just muscle but response. It retrains your brain to fire faster, sharpens reaction time. It's gentle but deeply effective. And it might be the single most overlooked key to leg strength as we age. Next, we'll reveal the simple balance move that rebuilds stability from the ground up. and share the real reason Arnold Schwarzenegger still trains every day. At 77 years old. Stick with me, because what's coming up might be the one thing that keeps you out of the emergency room. If you're finding this helpful so far, give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube to show it to more seniors who need it, and hit subscribe, so you never miss these life-saving tips. Arnold Schwarzenegger doesn't just talk the talk. He rides the ride literally. At 77 years old, this former Mr. Olympia, action movie icon, and governor of California still cycles to the gym nearly every single morning. Why? Because cycling is a low-impact, joint-friendly way to get your heart pumping, your blood flowing, and your mind cleared. It strengthens the glutes, quads, hamstrings, all the major leg muscles that keep you upright, stable, and independent. But here's the lesson that matters more than the bike itself. It's not about the gear, it's about the routine. Arnold's not chasing records anymore. He's preserving what he's earned: strength, energy, and freedom. And so can you, even if you've never been inside a gym. Even if you've had knee surgery, back pain, or slowed down with age. Because longevity isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing the right things consistently. Exercise number 2. Balance training. The secret to staying upright. Every 11 seconds, a senior in the US is treated in the ER for a fall-related injury. Most of them had no idea their balance was failing, until it was too late. The secret isn't just in your legs. It's in how your brain communicates with them. And that connection. It weakens with age unless you train it. This is one of the best ways to start. Stand on one foot for just 10 seconds, then switch. You'll feel tiny muscles in your feet and calves wake up. Your brain begins recalibrating. You're not just balancing, you're rebuilding the communication network between body and brain. Studies show that just 60 seconds a day of balance training can cut your fall risk nearly in half. Up next is why your grip strength might predict how long you live, and how a cheap tool used by Arnold Schwarzenegger could help you rebuild it in 2 weeks. If you're still here, you're already investing in your health. Well done. Give this video a like, and let me know in the comments, which of these exercises are you already doing? Exercise number 3. Grip strength, the lifespan indicator in your hands. Believe it or not, your hands can reveal the truth about your health. Grip strength is now considered one of the strongest predictors of longevity, more than blood pressure or cholesterol. A weak grip is often the first sign your overall strength is declining, especially in the arms, shoulders, and even the spine. But it's never too late to reverse that. Simple grip routine. Start with a soft stress ball. Squeeze and hold for 5 seconds, then release. Do 10 reps in each hand, 2 to 3 times a day. This tiny movement sends a message to your brain. I'm not giving up strength, I'm rebuilding it. And that mindset alone can change your entire body. The lower leg power routine that rewires aging legs. Now we will take all 3 pillars, power, balance, and grip, and fuse them into one 3-minute daily routine inspired by Dr. Peter Attia himself. If you're over 60, this might be the most important thing you do today. If you've made it this far, you're already stronger than most people your age. Because strength starts with commitment. Tap the like button if you're ready for more, and let's finish strong together. Dr. Attia's leg power routine. 3 minutes to rewire aging legs. This is the 3-minute leg rewiring routine, built on Dr. Attia's core principles of strength, balance, and neuromuscular control. It's low impact, easy to do at home, and designed specifically for older adults. Step 1. Low-level squat. Hold 30 seconds. Sink into a half squat, just enough to feel your thighs engage. Hold for 30 seconds. Don't force it. Let the muscles activate and stabilize you. This stimulates your quads, glutes, and calves, improving circulation and functional strength where you need it most. Step 2. Single leg balance. 30 seconds per leg. Now shift your weight onto one leg. Lift the opposite foot slightly off the floor. Use the back of a chair for light balance if needed. This engages your ankles, core, and inner stabilizers, rewiring your nervous system to react faster and prevent falls. Step 3. Power pulse. 30 seconds. Finish with 30 seconds of power pulses, quick upward pushes like you're about to jump, or do gentle calf raises with arm swings. This restores fast twitch muscle activity, your body's natural emergency response to slips and stumbles. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times for full effect. That's it, just 3 moves. No equipment, no gym. But done consistently, this routine can keep your legs younger than your age, and your independence intact. Here's a bonus tip for you. The chair test. How old are your legs? Here's a quick test used by researchers. Sit in a chair, cross your arms over your chest. Now stand up and sit down 5 times without using your hands. If it's tough, you're not alone. This test measures lower body strength and control. But the good news, every exercise you've learned today will improve your score fast. After 50, muscle loss isn't just about weakness, it's about safety, mobility, and dignity. But every day you choose to move, you're building more than muscle. You're building protection, resilience, and longevity. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more practical, powerful routines made just for you. And share this with someone who deserves to age strong. Stay strong, stay upright, you've got this.